What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Sang, and I want to share more information about myself with this video. I am an accountant. I have been working as an accountant for the past 15 years. I have a bachelor's and master's degree in accounting from Lamar University in Beaumont, Texas. That's where I grew up at, and I moved to Houston after graduating with my master's degree in accounting. There have been a lot of things that I did not learn from my parents or from school about personal finance, investing investment and all that. I learned a lot of that information from YouTube. So because of that, I wish I can share more of the knowledge that I have with other people. I wish I can help as many people as possible around the Houston area and Texas area to become millionaires. And the way to do that is by making YouTube videos. First, I often see friends struggling with work. Some of them get fired from the job, some of them get laid off. And whenever that happens, it's tough for them to survive financially. I've been through that situation before. I've been laid off before. I've been fired before in the past. And I wish that there's something that I can do to help my friends or family or just strangers on Facebook posting about them struggling with money. There's a Vietnamese Facebook group as well that I'm in, and I often see people posting anonymously saying that the restaurant business slowed down or the nail salon business has slowed down, so it's hard for them to make money and they're struggling financially. I often hear that, and I wish that there's something that I can do to help them. And my answer to that is to create this YouTube channel and hopefully work with as many people as possible to make videos, grow this YouTube channel, make it successful, make it make money from it, and hopefully we can share the wealth with everyone else that participate with us with this channel. The second thing that I want to do with my channel is that I want to work with parents and their kids to make eating or cooking videos. A lot of kids don't earn income yet until they work a part-time job like at a fast food restaurant when they're turned age 16 for the legal age to work. But if we can get kids to work at a younger age earlier than that and gain earned income, we can help kids invest into the Roth IRA at an early age. If you invest into your Roth IRA at an early age, it's possible for you to set up yourself to become a millionaire by the age of 67 minimum, or even age 40 maximum or more. So I did the numbers. If you have a 5-year-old kid and you have $4,000 invested into your kid's Roth IRA at the age of 5, and you don't invest another penny for the rest of your kid's life, that $4,000 will grow to $1 million by the time that they turn age 67. If you have a kid that's 10 years old, you'll need a little bit more money invested. It's around $12,000 invested into your kid's Roth IRA account, and then that $12,000 will grow to $1 million by the time that they retire at age 67. If you have an 18-year-old kid, you'll probably need around $25,000 invested into your kid's Roth IRA, and that $25,000 will grow to $1 million by the time that they retire at age 67. So based on these numbers, if you can try to get your kids to earn income as soon as possible at an early age, and then take that money and invest into the Roth IRA at an early age, you can set your kids to become millionaires by the age of 67, or you can invest more than that whenever they're an adult and try to aim for them to become millionaires by the age of 40 or age 30. With this possibility, we can try to educate everyone in the Houston area and Texas to try to get your kids to earn income as soon as possible to set them up to become millionaires. I dream that one day 100% of the kids that grew up in Texas will become millionaires. I dream that one day we can build a system that can help 100% of the kids in Texas to become millionaires. A third thing There are a lot of people that work in the restaurant industry or the nail industry, and they're working paycheck to paycheck. They don't have any 401k, or they don't have any retirement account invested. And by the time that they retire at age 67, they're broke. They're living off of Social Security, which I think it's like $600 a month or something. They're struggling. They're not making a lot of money. With this YouTube channel, I hope that I can work with people to make extra money whenever they're not busy working their full-time job. That way, the extra money, they can take that money and invest into the Roth IRA, so that they can prepare themselves to have a decent sized retirement account whenever they retire at age 67. But another thing is that I want people to work with me to help build this YouTube channel together. That way it can be more successful in the future and make more money in the future. That way, whenever they do retire at age 67 and they don't have a good nest egg prepared, they can continue to make YouTube videos, making eating videos or cooking videos, so that they can earn additional income in retirement, so they're not struggling. A fourth thing with this channel is that I wish one day the channel makes enough money to fund people to travel around the world, to different cities, different states, and different countries, and fully paid for by YouTube. Imagine if you want to travel to, let's say, New York, Los Angeles, Hawaii, Florida, or Las Vegas, and then by making eating or travel videos at the different cities that you visit. I hope that you can make enough money from YouTube to recoup all the costs that you expense from your travels. And then imagine people traveling beyond that, going to Tokyo, Asia, Europe, Australia. I hope one day people can travel all around the world and make eating or travel videos, and then make enough money from the videos in order to fund their entire trip. Imagine that you don't have to save up money for months and years in order to have enough money to travel. Imagine that all that money can come from YouTube. These are the reasons why I am trying to build this YouTube channel. I want to work with everyone in Houston and Texas to work together, make eating or cooking videos together, make this channel successful so that we all can make money together, funded by YouTube. I believe that if we all work together, we can make a big difference and change everyone's lives. This is the reason why I've been making YouTube videos by myself the past 2 years. I've been trying to get people to work with me, but a lot of people reject me. They say that they're not gonna work with me unless I pay them. I don't have the money to pay them, so I can't pay everyone to make videos. Therefore, I just make videos by myself. It's hard to share my vision with people and get people to see my vision and put their trust in me to work with me so that we all can benefit financially together. I wish that I can help people become millionaires. I wish I can help people. I wish I can help people help their kids become millionaires and have generational wealth over the years. I wish I can help people help their grandkids to become millionaires. I want everyone to become millionaires and have that generational wealth where every single generation, it just continues to grow. Everyone gets educated, making more money than the previous generation, live a better life, be more educated. My ultimate dream is to try to help as many people as possible to become millionaires. I hope that you can see my vision. I hope that you can support me. I hope that we all can work together to build a successful YouTube channel and help as many people become millionaires as possible. Again, my name is Sang. I am an accountant with 15 years of experience. I have a bachelor's and master's degree in accounting. And with the knowledge that I've learned over the years and from YouTube, I hope that I can impact a lot of people's lives and change it for the better. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see 5 or 10 years from now if my vision is successful or not. If I'm able to get people to put their trust in me and work with me and build generational wealth together. Thank you and take care. Bye.